How to create your own app icon. So this is app icon from generator. That is all you need to create your own app icon. All that you have to do is simply come in and describe what your app is about right here in the description box. Okay, if you don't have any idea, you can come in and select some of the suggested ones, just like this one, okay, by simply clicking on it. So for me, I'm simply going to write water reminder app. That is my app name, okay. And then over here, the color, you can come and then type in the color that you prefer. So I'm simply going to type in blue, okay, just like this. And then you can put in a text that will appear on your app icon, okay, but I don't want any text, so I'm simply going to leave it just like that. And then over here, the style, you can simply come and then select any of these style, okay. So we have realistic, okay, we have cartoon, we have 3D. You can come and select any of these. So I'm simply going to select the modern, okay. And then you can come here to the background style, okay. You can come and then select simple background or a transparent background, okay. So I'm going to go with a simple background. That is it, and then come and click on generate prompt. So the prompt is the prompt that you can use to generate your image, that is your app icon. So come and click on the copy option, and then you'll be able to copy it. All that you have to do is simply go back to Google AI Studio, okay, and come and select the chart. So the chart, you have to make sure that you come and select the model, that is nano banana, okay. So when you click on it, you see that we have different types of model, okay, but come and then select the one that comes with nano banana, okay. So when you click on it, to be selected, and then over here, all that you have to do is come and then paste in the prompt that you copy, just like this, okay. So after pasting it, simply come and click on run, and that is it. Your app icon will be generated for you, as simple as that. So if you don't like what was generated, you can come and then tell it to generate a different one, just like this, okay. But I like the first one, so I'm simply going to go with the first one by clicking on it. You can come and click on the download to download it. The next thing is to simply go to Google and then come and type in Canva, and then come and then hit enter. So when it comes, come and select the official site of Canva, okay. It's going to bring you right here, and then from here you can come and then select anything that you want to do. So what you are going to do is that you are going to go with a custom size. Come and then click on it to select it, and then over here the width, we are going to type in 1024, and then the height we are going to type in 1024, okay. So after that, come and then click on create new design. So when you click on it, over here what you have to do is that from this portion we have upload, come and click on upload, and then from here where we have upload fast, come and click on it, and then come and select your logo that was generated, okay, and come and click on open. So over here you will see that we have the logo right here. What that you have to do is simply come and then drag it, okay, and then come and drop it right here. So after dropping it, you have the option to resize it. So make sure that you resize it to fit the flame, just like this. And then come here to the share and come and click on the share. And over here, you have the option to come and click on the download. Okay, so when you are downloading it, make sure that PNG is selected. Okay, and then the size is 1024 by 1024. And all that you have to do is simply come and click on download. And that is it. You have your app icon generated just like that, okay. So it has been downloaded. When you come here to the download, you can come and click on show in folder or view it. So let's click on open to view it, and we have our app icon. Now we can use it in our Android Studio. So simply open your Android Studio just like this, okay. So when it opens over here, come and then load your app, okay. So when you sync the app, come and make sure that Android is selected just like this one, okay. So if Android is selected, come and then double click on the app, okay. So when you double click on the app, come here and then come and double click on the rest, okay. So when you double click on it, you see that all this is in. Now come and then put the mouse on the rest and then right click on it, okay. So you put the mouse on it just like this, you right click on it and then go to new, and then from new simply come and then come and select image asset, okay. Just click on the image asset, and then from here all that you have to do is that the icon type, make sure that It is the exact same as this one. The name, to leave it just like this, don't put in any name. And then over here where we have the foreground, simply make sure that the layer name is the exact same as this. Don't type in anything. Okay. And then the asset type, make sure that image is selected. And then the path, come and then click on the folder. Okay, and come and select your icon, the image that we just generated. Okay, come and select it there and click on open. So it is going to load just like this, and it will show it in different shapes just like this. Okay, good. Now that you have it, simply come here and make sure that everything is set just like this. Okay, and then come here to where you have the background layer and come and click on it. Okay, so make sure that the layer name is set to this, don't change anything. And then the asset type, come and then select color. Okay, and then the color, come and then click on it. So when you click on it, you have the option to choose any color. Make sure that you come and then select black. Okay, color black, just like this. Okay, so after selecting it, all that you have to do is to make sure that color black is selected. Okay, and then come here to where you have the next and come and click on the next. So when you click on the next, it will bring you right here. Okay, and then the sort set, make sure that this is set, don't change anything. Okay, and everything is set just like this. Okay, and then simply come in and come and click on the finish, and that is it. Okay, it is going to generate it for you. So from the Android, simply come in and come and select project files, and then come here to the app and double click on it, and then come here to the src, double click on the src, and then from here you will see that we have our Android manifest.sml, and then the IC launcher is also created. Okay, so come and then double click on the Android manifest.sml. It will open just like this. So from the application over here, come and make sure that the icon is here. So over here, Android icon at map, okay, slash IC dot launcher is here, and then the Android round icon at bitmap slash IC launcher round is here as well. And that is it. If you see all this, that is it. So how do you get your app icon from generator? Let me show you. What you have to do is simply go to Google. From Google search, come and type in Google AI Studio, and then come and hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Google AI Studio, and then click on it. It's going to bring you right here to Google AI Studio. Okay, come and then look through the options, and then come and select the build. Okay, so when you click on it, over here you can build any app with Gemini for free. Come and then paste in this prompt. So I have pinned this prompt at the comment below. Okay, I have pinned it at the comment, copy it and come paste and come and click on run prompt. And then all that you have to do is to just sit back, and then your app icon from generator will be generated for you. Come and click on full screen, and there is it. You have it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.